So we're going to talk about designing leggings for printing. In this Photoshop file that you can find in the mockup section of the Google Drive, you're going to see this PSD file where you can open it up and you would see different sizes ranging from small to extra large. Don't worry about the other sizes, make it as big as you can into the extra large format. You can line up the other sizes if you want to create special leggings where the small is different, medium is different, large is different. But that's for special cases. On most situations, you probably won't have this. So just use the extra large section. Open a drop down arrow here. If you zoom in a little bit, you're going to see the composition of the leggings, what the leggings are actually made of. Now on this box here, this white box is where you put your logo. So it's pretty important that you fill this out so that you can have your own branding on the leggings. Now if you go down here, there will be two sections here for the leggings, the right side and the left side. As you can see here, this is actually the right legging, this is the left. So then if you take away the extra large layer here, which is the cutout, you're going to see both sides. What I've done is that I've just designed it on one side and I mirrored the image on the other side, but you can design both legs differently if you would prefer. So once you've designed this like this, what I do is I save this as a PNG or a JPEG, either one. And then I put it back like so. Then you save this leggings like this. You want to leave everything as is, just design like this, and save this one as a Photoshop EPS file. So we'll take this exact format and we'll size it up correctly for you, so it saves you a lot of time. You don't need to size it up yourself, small to extra large. We just take the extra large and we can create anything from an extra small all the way up to a 4XL with the same resolution. Make sure when you're saving or when you're designing, design it on 200 or 300 dpi so that we can have the best quality prints for you. Simply save this as a Photoshop EPS file. As so, save it as vector. Alternatively, you can save it as a PNG as well. But we like vector files because it's easy to use. So you would go into your design section, go into sublimation, upload this vector file. It might take a bit depending on how big the size is. Okay, so once the file has been uploaded, simply leave all this alone. You don't need to do anything here, but if you prefer, you can make it a 10.5 inch width so that you can see the design. When you're looking at all designs, you can actually recognize the design. So let's give this a name. Hit add design. Let the system render design. Sometimes it could take a little time depending on the file size to render the art into our system, but have a little patience and it'll be done. So once the design has been added on, you're now ready to link the design to your Shopify store product.